One of the best ways to make life better is to just be more comfortable, right? When we're not too hot, we're not too cold, life is just better. Well, I'm the fixer of all things, and I have a quick, easy, and even cheap way to be more comfortable. But first, okay, I know you're one of these two people, right? Which one of these two is you? The heater is on. Why is it still freezing in here? Or is this more like you? Bruh, the AC is on. I don't know where the hot air is coming from. So, whichever one you are, it's probably because air from the outside is coming in and it's on the inside. So, whether you're too cold or whether you're too hot, there's a good chance it's because your weather strip is shot. There are, of course, lots of different types of weather stripping. This is common on newer homes. The door is actually made of metal. The weather strip is magnetic. The magnet side sticks to the door. The other side of the weather strip, of course, is attached to the door frame. In between is like an accordion effect. Well, when it's newer, it is. As they get older, of course, they lose that flexibility. This one, it's seen better days. This homeowner thought loading the weather stripping up with caulking would help. Bad idea. That made it lose all of its flexibility. That didn't work at all. Now, why do you suppose that homeowner did that? I can understand why. If you look closely at this weather stripping, it looks like it's wedged in between the door frame and the door jamb, which would mean I would have to remove this entire jamb. You'd have to pry it off. It's going to make a big mess. And of course, then you'd have to repaint everything. However, that is not the case at all. Remember, I'm the fixer of all things, and I like making things easy. There's a super easy way to do this. You don't have to take this off at all. The door jamb has something built into it called a kerf. A kerf is just a long slot, and the weather strip presses into that slot. Let's take a closer look. So how does the weather strip go into the door kerf, and how does it stay there? We'll demonstrate with this piece of foam. The weather strip has ridges. Those ridges grip the door frame. That's what keeps it in. And then that's the accordion effect that we were talking about. That just helps it make a good seal. Now, of course, this would be easier if it had not been attacked by a deranged madman with a caulking gun. However, as you can see, it's still not that hard to get the old weather stripping out of the kerf. Now, don't get crazy with it, but yank that weather stripping right out. That's going to reveal the kerf that we're talking about. See it right there? It's not a very thick slot. It's actually pretty thin, but it's built right into the door jamb. Where to get your new stuff? At first, I went to the home improvement stores. They didn't have the magnetic strip in stock, neither one. So then I went online and oh my gosh, the prices on this stuff have gone completely crazy online. So I went back to the home improvement store websites and you know what? Boom, there it was. It was really cheap. It was like 26 bucks. And you know what's nice? It's like a kit. They know what you're doing. What you're going to get is you'll get a long strip, the magnetic side, right? But the inside is not magnetic. So it's just a piece of regular weather strip. Then you're going to get a short piece that goes across the top. What's also really cool is each piece is just a little bit long. That way you can cut it down so it's going to fit exactly and it's really easy to cut down. Now the instructions tell you to measure it out. What I did was I just put my old weather strip next to my new weather strip. Then this is really easy. This is like one of my dullest hacksaw blades and it still made quick work of this weather stripping. I'll clean up that door jamb later, but for now, I just want to show you how easy it is to install the new strip. If needed, you can also tap it in with a small hammer or a block of wood. Another cool thing is that if you screw something up, you can pull it back out and do it again. Now you probably won't have all that old caulking to clean up, which I'll get to later, but see how it accordions again, allowing for irregularities between the door and the frame? We've restored the sealing properties to this door. The weather strip adheres to the door magnetically to keep the drafts out. Now you're more comfortable. Life just got better. If you found this helpful, hey, share it with someone. Share it somewhere. Give it a thumbs up at least. And hey, it is safe to subscribe. No spam on my channel. Thanks for watching till the end. I'm the fixer of all things, wishing you a safe but interesting journey through life.